Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share Telegram group link if you are not admin. And here's how it's done. If you're not an admin of a Telegram group, you generally won't have permission to directly share an invite link. However, there are still a couple of options you can explore depending on the group settings. Ask an admin for the link. Easiest way is to ask one of the admins to send you an invite link. Admins have the ability to generate a shareable link for the group. Check for a public group link if available. If the group is a public group, there may be a permanent invite link that anyone can share. To check for a public group link, go to the group's profile page and look for the invite link option. If it's visible, you can copy and share the link. If it is not, you will need to request it from an admin. Invite via username for private groups. If the group is private, you can invite others by sending them the group's username if the admin has allowed members to invite others via username. In summary, as a non-admin, your best bet is either to ask an admin for a link or check if the group has a public invite link visible in its settings. And that's everything you need to know about how to share Telegram group link if you are not an admin. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.